Hi, on this series of videos we're looking through the AQA June 2024 Foundation Paper 1, a non-calculator paper. And this short video is just looking at question 1, which starts with 280 divided by 7. So a lot of people will go with the bus stop method, which rewrites the division as how many times does 7 go into 280. So 7's into 2. It won't go, so we put a 0 there and we'll carry the 2 across to try again. Okay, 7's didn't go into 2, so how about 7's into 28? Well, that goes 4 times and there's no remainder, it goes in exactly. So there's no remainder to put here. 7's into 0 is 0, so there is our answer, 40. You could look at division as how many times does 7 go into 280 and go up through your 7 times table. It's going to take a while to get all the way up to 280, but we do get to 28 quite quickly, which is 280 with a 0 on the end. 7's into 28, well that's times 4. So if we were to keep going all the way up to 280, we would find that that would be, instead of times 4, times 40. Same answer. Okay, let's have a look at this part B. It's a takeaway. So we can write down our numbers, one on top of the other. Be careful you don't make the mistake of putting the 438 here, because then our units aren't lined up. We've got 2 units here, but we put the 8 units in this number over here, and they need to be lined up one on top of the other. So 438 is in the wrong place there. It needs to go here. So our 2 units and 8 units are lined up. We'll write down that we're doing a takeaway, and we'll start off with 2, take away 8. But, well, we can do that, but it goes into negative. So quite a common mistake is for people to go, okay, well, 8 divided by 2 is 6, but that's wrong. We're doing this number, take away this number. So it's 2 take away 8, which without going into negatives, we can't do. So we do our borrowing. So we cross out our 6, reduce it to 5, and carry 1 across. If you've ever wondered what's happening here, what we've done is we've rewritten the number 62 as 5 in the tens column, so 50, and a 12. We've rewritten the number 62 as 50, 12. 50 plus 12 is 62. It's the same number, it's just written in a weird way, 50, 12. But because of this 12, we can now do our takeaway. 12 take away 8 is 4. 5 take away 3, we can do that, that's 2. 0 take away 4, we have to do borrowing again, so we'll reduce that down to a 0. And carry the 1 across. So now it's 10 take away 4, which is 6. And 0 take away, well, there's nothing here. So 0 take away 0 is 0. So there is our answer, 624. Oh, we'll just check our answers with the mark scheme. So on the first one, it says, you can see there, condone 040. That's because if we've done our bus stop method, we will have written 040. So if you've written 040 on the answer line, the answer, you will be allowed that answer. I wouldn't recommend it. I suspect they've probably allowed that because it's the first question. So they're being a bit generous with the marks here. You shouldn't write 040. The answer is 40. And on the second one, 624. This is worth 2 marks. You'll see these are worth B marks. B marks just mean you're going to get that mark even if you haven't written any method down, or even if you've written a dodgy method down, you're still going to get this mark if what does it say? You've got an answer ending with the units digit 4. So you would have got 1 mark on this question for any number here, as long as your units number was a 4. But to get the full 2 marks, you needed 624. Okay, we'll be looking at question 2 next in the next video. Thank you.